Welcome. What is affiliate marketing? Why reinvent the wheel if the wheel is already invented? Why recreate the product if the product is already created? And on top of it, the owner is willing to partner with you. I am about to tell you a story. I ask too that you watch to the end of this video, as I believe I have possible life-changing information for you at the end. But I must give you some concepts and I must tell you this story first. So there was a product owner. And let me draw a picture of product owner here. He created a product that he believes has the potential to be successful, that he believes has the potential to make him rich. So he thinks to himself, how can I get this product sold? How can I maximize the sale of this product? So he thinks to himself and he says, oh, but I have 5 friends. What if I can get them to sell the product for me and I give them a 50% commission for every sale that they make? So he calls his friends. So here comes friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, and friend 5. So he tells them the offer and he makes the offer to them. So the price of the product is $1 million. So he says to his friends, you don't need to give me any fee. All I want you to do is to get this product sold for me and I will give you 50% of the sale. And if you want to get some more of your friends to sell with you, that's no problem. I will give them 50% for every sale that they make also. So friend 1 sells a product. Friends 1 get 500,000 for himself. Owner gets 500,000 for himself. Friend 2 sells a product. Owner gets 500 for himself. Friend gets 500,000 for himself as well. And friend 3 sells a product. 500,000 for friend 3. Product owner gets 500,000 for himself as well. So now product owner has 1.5 million and his 3 friends has 500,000 each. All his friends has the same amount as him, but him by himself has 1.5 million. But his friends are also happy as they too have 500,000 for themselves. Friend 4 sells a product, gets 500,000 for himself. Product owner now has $2 million. Friend 4 is happy also because friend 4 has 500,000 for himself. Friend 5 did not do any marketing and did not do proper marketing. So friend 5 did not make any money. So friend 5 does not have any money because friend 5 did not employ right marketing methods. He did not find the right traffic using the right methods. So product owner is still happy. He made $2 million. 4 of his friends are happy as they made 500,000 each. So it took partnership and teamwork, a willing product owner that was willing to offer his affiliate some links, and everybody is happy in the end. Partnership and teamwork is what has made a multitude of affiliate marketers in the world very successful today. And there are also marketers out there that are successful, that are offering the knowledge that they have gained for a commission. So they give you a link to sell their product, you give them a little fee maybe, and you get access to sell their product while also getting access to their product, getting access to life-changing information. I invested in a lot of affiliate products, thousands of dollars that I invested in some affiliate products, searching for the right method, searching for the right products out there that are life-changing. And I have successfully found a few products that are life-changing products. Products where I have learned a lot while still partnering with these people. And while I'm learning, I am making money as well. It's a double win-win for me as I'm learning while I still have a business opportunity through these product owners. The whole concept of affiliate marketing is a cycle, is a circle. And what makes it work the best is when you have a team, when you have partnership. If you consider Warrior Plus, maybe you don't know about Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus started from an idea. One man has an idea. I bought a lot of software on Warrior Plus from a number of sellers on Warrior Plus until I realized, oh, but I'm approaching this wrong. The answer is right there in front of my eyes. These product owners offers these products on Warrior Plus. Then they offer the affiliates that sells the most a price on top of what they make. They offer sellers $3,000. They offer sellers $5,000 on top of what they make for making the most sales. So those persons were smart enough to know that, hey, all I need is to get some affiliates to sell my product for me. And it's a win-win. I am willing to give you access after many research and after many investment. So I am before you. I am ahead of you because I have already done the hard work. I have already done the investment. And for free, I am going to give you the information that I have found so far that has changed my life. So just click on the link below. It will take you to my website. It will take you to my landing page. On the landing page, you will see the links to 3 products that are products that has information in them that are life-changing. But on top of the information that you will get that will make you into an internet marketing expert, these owners will offer you the opportunity to get the licenses to sell back these products as your business start. So will you be smart enough to take the risk that I have taken and partner with those persons? I'm also willing to make you my partner, as I too own a software. I own a website automated software. If you buy any of those products, invest in any of those products that are life-changing, I will give you free access to my software that will allow you to create your website pages in an automated fashion. You just enter the name of your domain, just enter 3 more links, click apply, and your website is created. And you can add landing pages similar to the one that you will go to now. Just go and look at my landing page. You'll be able to create your own landing page. I'm giving you that for free. If you take the opportunity to invest in my mentors, they will become your mentors and they will give you life-changing information. Look, you're watching my video now. How did you get my video? You maybe are watching my video because you are part of my email list. My big email list that I have created. I've created email list because of information that I have learned from those courses. You can do the same. I sent you my video. Now you are watching my video. Maybe you're watching my video on Facebook. Maybe you're watching my video on YouTube because of other marketing methods that I have employed, because of knowledge that I have gained through the same courses. Take the opportunity to become partner. Take the opportunity to become team players and become a part of these teams. These are business opportunities, and affiliate marketing is one of the top opportunities online to start your own business. I did it, and I am happy that I did it. So I am going to give you a challenge. This is a business that I am running right now. TerrHEvolution Internet Marketing Limited. Do the same thing that I am doing now. You are going to invest just a little, $17 into one of those products. One might ask you to put another $97 in order to get his license because of the standard of his course, because the number of influence that he has. Invest in those life-changing information. Buy the reseller license that I have done. Then make a video just like this one. Those courses will help you to build your list, your email list of your own persons that are willing to buy your products in an automated way. You will not have to do anything with one of the courses that I'm sending you to, with one of the products that I'm sending you to. It will automatically add persons to your list and automatically sell to these persons, and that is very, 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 very cheap. So do the same thing that I am doing for the start of your business. Get access to those applications that will also teach you all you will need to learn based on the courses that are a part of those products. And at the same time, you will be a partner and you will be selling those products back to your friends, back to millions of people worldwide that you have never seen before. And on top of it, I am going to give you access to my free automated website creation software that will allow you to create your own website with just clicking a button, so you don't have to worry about not being technical. I'm giving an opportunity here. You will learn the application in a couple of hours, couple of days. I'm asking you to take the challenge. Remember to also to subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video from YouTube, as I will have life-changing information like this all the time. So just click on the link in the description below, go to my landing page, access the course information that is there. I will also have a video on there that will have basic information for you that will get you started. Alright, I will have my own video there that will teach you basic information that will get you started. But the most important, look out for the links, click them and access the products of those 3 persons. Alright, and the bonus offer, you get access to my website. So become my partner, become their partner, and then in the future start your own business and get your own partners, because that's what affiliate marketing is all about. It is a cycle, it's an online cycle. You just need to get in the circle, and once you get in the circle, you'll get a piece of the circle. Alright, so affiliate marketing, that's what it is. All the best.